we going, John?
Joshua Tree.
Are you excited?
Yep.
I'm wearing this bandana because I feel like it's, you know, we're going to Joshua Tree, why not? And then this cute little simple dress, and then black socks and Vans. I wonder if the lighting is like good with this. I don't even know. I guess it's okay. You think the lighting is good?
It's okay.
I just like my anime in Japanese. The last one I watched, did not like I did not like season 2.
Why?
Man.
Oh my god, why? I finished all 4 of them when I
Season-
came here.
Yeah.
It was so good. I was like so
I guess I
hyped.
need to get through
loved
2.
it.
I couldn't get through 2. I loved
Get
1.
through
No,
2.
one
1
what?
is the best always, but get through 2. Keep watching to 3, and then the 4 is just like, oh my god.
I would just say 1 and 4 are good seasons, and then 2
So
and
good.
3.
It's like Mr. Robot, right?
Yeah, and then 2 and 3 are just like, compared to 1 and 4, like 2 and 3 are just okay.
Yeah. One of my favorite. I love Berserk, Monster. Have you heard of Monster?
Monster.
Monster. I like animes that aren't like Dragon Ball Z. I love Dragon Ball Z, but I just don't. I want no action. I want drama. I do like the action stuff, but my brain doesn't operate that way anymore. I just would rather have like a nice, interesting story.
Oh my god.
But just, I also got no spread. I like the.
So good. I'm so hungry.
Like in the city. Amanda hates it. No, I trimmed it, but when I saw you last,
It's okay.
eat it.
I know.
Oh, really?
Honestly, then I get to see like his full face. He
like-
cycles in and out, so it's fine. A disheveled.
It doesn't turn into like sandpaper. But that's the stash, not the beard. They're a really good piece of fried chicken that's crispy but juicy and like
Is it like
Not
it's not
dry.
fat?
This should be good. Strawberries, blueberries, watermelon. We are here! Yay!
both keys. We locked everything. Gates are good. Hello.
Oh my god. Cool. Yeah, we're getting there. I'm sure you can see. This is where we are. I'm sure the arch rock is somewhere along these lines.
Waiting patiently for mommy and daddy to come back. Isabella.
They're coming back, Bella. You can see mom and dad from here. Here. Hi, thank you. You get cold brew and I'll get latte. How's that sound? Thank you.
Okay, this is a latte.
Breakfast bliss. And cold brew and latte. How is it?
It's nice.
Is it?
Yep.
We need to make sure the sunscreen gets a cameo.
There was a
Yeah. We did keto fried fish.
yeah.
But we made keto tortillas.